SPCE, Spce, Virgin Galactic, more FUD. Let me prove to you exactly what I mean by that. News just come out now to rubbish the stock, to short it, to bring it down. Look at this. I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. The stock right now, look, we've got some breaking news here on CNBC. And it simply says, Chamath, who took Virgin Galactic public, steps down from Space Company's board. Virgin Galactic always knew Chamath at some point would step down. That's part of what happens with a company. They already knew at some point he'd move on to another project. That's not the news. That's no big deal. But what is, though, is putting this news story on CNBC, and right underneath the news story, after hours video here on YouTube from CNBC, is a video from 6 months ago when they announced delaying flights. It doesn't tell you on the report that this video was actually from 6 months ago, and actually we're not delaying flights again. This was last year's news. So it's more nonsense again with FUD around SPCE. Let me show you the stock price now. This is my position, as you can see. I was down at 70% at one point when the stock dropped from 37 earlier last year. And I've been repositioning all the way down, just keep buying and selling, and I only started with 15 shares. I now have 1,500 shares. I didn't put any more money in. I just kept buying and selling all the little micro dips all the way down, which means I now own 1,500 shares. So I keep buying the dips and I keep trading them as well. So I keep making money from the dip. So virtually all this is free money. And if you look at it right now, my portfolio is only down 5.64%. Should be down 90% right now. So there you go. I'm preparing for the biggest Virgin liftoff ever. It's going to explode my portfolio. I'm not going to know what to do with it. So the point of this video is to do your own research, understand, don't believe too much of FUD and nonsense like this. It is a fact that Chamath has stepped down. Virgin already knew that that was going to happen, and then they have no issue with that whatsoever. But what is absolutely ridiculous is underneath the story, lacing it with the video from last year saying that flights are delayed. This was last year's news. So, of course, people are buying and selling, and everybody's fearful, and people are shorting it. Thank you, because it's how I keep making my profits. Take care of yourselves and each other.